In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan and zoom in CapCut. If you want to add motion and make your videos feel more dynamic, learning how to pan and zoom is a great place to start. This simple technique can help you guide your viewers' attention and make even a still clip feel more engaging. To begin, open your project and choose the clip you want to work with. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample video clip placed on the timeline. Once your clip is ready, position the playhead at the exact point where you want the movement to start. In this example, we'll begin right at the start of the clip so the effect plays throughout. Next, look over to the editing panel and open the video settings section. Inside, find the transform controls. This is where you'll be able to adjust how your clip appears on screen. To create the starting point of your animation, click the small diamond-shaped icon. This adds what's called a keyframe, which tells the program to remember the current position and size of your clip. After setting your first keyframe, move the playhead forward along the timeline to where you want the motion to end. This determines how long your pan or zoom effect will last, so you can adjust it depending on how fast or slow you want the movement to feel. Now it's time to create the motion. Adjust the scale of your video by using the slider or by dragging the edges of the preview window. Increasing the scale will create a zoom-in effect, while decreasing it can simulate a zoom-out. You can also click and drag the video within the preview screen to shift its position, creating a panning motion. As soon as you make these changes, CapCut automatically adds another keyframe and generates a smooth transition between the 2 points. This means you don't have to manually animate every frame, which saves a lot of time while still giving you a polished result. Once everything looks good, play back your clip to preview the effect and make any small adjustments if needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.